In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to display items on your website in the same order as a Wix CMS collection. To start, you will want to locate your CMS within the dashboard or editor of your site. Once you've made your way to this particular area, you'll need to identify the collection that's relevant to your needs. It's quite straightforward, really. Just click on the collection that you'd like to work with. Now, at the top of your screen, you should see a menu labeled as View. From this drop-down menu, select the view that you would like to utilize for the sorting process. This will determine how your items appear when they are sorted. Next, if you wish to manually order the items in your collection, there are a few extra steps to follow. First, ascertain that table is chosen as your layout type. This layout type allows for the smooth manual rearrangement of items. After confirming this, find the reorder icon that's situated next to the item you wish to move. Simply click and hold on this icon, then drag the item either upwards or downwards to shift its position as per your preferences. Perhaps you'd rather have the items sorted automatically. If this is the case, there are also steps to facilitate this. You may find a feature labeled Sort at the top of your collection. Clicking on this will provide you with more sorting options. Next, you will see a feature that reads Plus Add Sort. Clicking on this allows you to add a new sorting criteria. Subsequently, you'll have to select the field you want the items to be sorted by and choose the order in which they should be sorted, such as alphabetically from A to Z or numerically from low to high. These options ensure that your items are organized to your liking. Now, here comes a slightly different step that you might not be aware of. At the top of your collection settings, you'll see an option that says Mirror on Site. Click on this. Once that's done, toggle the Mirror Item Order on the site to On. By doing this, you've ensured that the order of items on your website will mirror that of your Wix CMS collection. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to display items on your website in the same order as a Wix CMS collection. Whether you prefer to sort the items manually or automatically, the choice is yours. Remember, take your time and follow the steps carefully. Happy sorting!